how to withdraw your money from Chime. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to withdraw your money from Chime. First, open or launch the Chime mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app, as you can see. After that, go to the bottom menu and tap the option named Move. After that, this other page appears. On this page, you will see several options that are related to moving money. From them, tap this one here named Transfer Money. This other page will then appear. On this page, there are some very important settings that you are supposed to set. You have to first enter the amount you would like to move. Also, there are two more important options. There is this option named From. This option is the one that you are supposed to use to choose where you would like to move the money from. For our case, we will choose our Chime account, just like you can see here, because we aim to withdraw money from Chime. After that, proceed to the next option, which is To. In this option, you also have to tap on it and choose where you would like the money to be moved to. So go ahead and do that. After setting that up, it is time to review if everything is correct, and then you finalize the process, and the money will be withdrawn to your preferred option. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to withdraw your money from Chime.